Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to cover a question: should I purchase a course for GATE exam preparation or not? So means first I will give you my example. I have appeared for GATE 2022, 2023 and 2024, and all the three time I have qualified GATE exam with means yeah, all the three times like I was used to get a decent score. So what I would suggest you is, according to my point of view, you should purchase a GATE exam courses. Why? Because people say that there are so many free tools available. So I mean free courses available, and there are, if I take a content, if I take a uh, syllabus of GATE exam and go through those courses, I am able to cover the courses very easily. Yeah, that point is very much true, but you have to understand that there is certain difficulty level. So those courses might not be prepared by keeping in a mind about GATE exam difficulty level. So the specific courses which are prepared for GATE exam preparation level, they are made by keeping that difficulty level in the mind. So if you are a student, you really don't know, like if you have not appeared for any entrance exam previously, I would suggest it's really not good to go with without purchasing any course. It is very much needed. It is not good because, for example, suppose GATE difficulty level is here, and suppose you are watching some channel, I won't take name of a channel, but which teaches you concept in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So that will cover difficulty level of here. And suppose you are watching some a channel which is taking 10 hours or some much amount of time to prove the things from very scratch and those things, so those are here. But you need to be here. How will you get to know that you have to study till here only? So at this point of time, to know this, GATE exam courses will help you out. So I am from CSC and DA background, so I would suggest you, at least for CSC and DA background, you should not buy you should definitely buy the courses for GATE exam preparation. If you want, you can comment me down. I can help you with different courses available on the online if you are like very much confused like what you should do and not. Here is one thing which I would like to mention. During my preparation period, what mistake I have done, I have started preparing for GATE from very long back, from second year of engineering, you can think of. So in second year of engineering, I have mostly covered the, I have also thought like I will go through the YouTube videos and I'll get along the things and all. But I have, believe me, I have went through all the videos, most of the, like you can say any name, any name. I am not going to take name of that channels. So those who says that they will prepare you for GATE exam level, they are not, means believe me, they are not, means like for example, you will not get, so first of all, if you get the things clear, so they might not cover that difficulty level of a GATE, like with what mindset you should do. They will only give answers to the questions. And if you are if they are covering, so it will be difficult for you to understand, because GATE exam is not only about ratification and all. It is also about like how you think, what you react, means I mean in real time how do you think about the things. Okay, and it also covers so many basics. There are three level questions, are divided in three level, how you should prepare, these all things matter in those 3 hours. So yes, I would definitely not suggest to study without having a proper course. Thank you, good luck. If there is anything which you want me to cover, please let me know in comment section. And if you are appearing for interview, you want to take a mock help reach me out. I'll there to help you out. Thank you.